Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Allow me to introduce myself. I am one of our senior project managers and a senior writer from the esteemed marketing department at Construction Solutions, Inc., CSI. Today, I stand before you to share the story of a remarkable company that has been shaping the construction engineering consulting landscape for nearly 3 decades. Construction Solutions, Inc., founded in 1995 by the visionary Bill McCarthy, has established itself as a reputable and trusted partner in the realm of building envelope solutions. From the heart of Florida to the sweeping landscapes of Georgia and the Carolinas, CSI has left an indelible mark on the condominium associations, multifamily dwellings, and commercial properties it has served. Under the dynamic leadership of Jason Hambrecht and Jeffrey Sellers, CSI has evolved and expanded, guided by the principles of integrity, innovation, and exceptional customer service. We have built our success on the foundation of expertise and a relentless commitment to our client satisfaction. At CSI, our diverse range of services covers every aspect of the construction process, from meticulous building envelope inspections and precise renovation and restoration services to weather preparation and resilience measures. We leave no stone unturned in our pursuit of excellence. Our team of experts excels in blueprint development, specification drafting, waterproofing solutions, erosion and corrosion inspections, building code compliance evaluations, and end-to-end project management. But our dedication to our clients goes beyond project completion. We understand the complexities and challenges faced by condominium associations, CAMs, board members, contractor attorneys, insurance companies, contractors, and homeowners alike. That's why we focus on establishing long-lasting relationships, making our clients' lives easier through dedicated support and expert solutions. Our competitive advantage lies in our extensive experience and expertise in building envelope solutions. With thousands of successful projects under our belt since our inception, we have honed our skills to meet the unique needs of each client. We embrace industry advancements and best practices, positioning ourselves at the forefront of innovation. This dedication allows us to foster long-term partnerships that stand the test of time. Looking ahead, CSI has set its sights on becoming the premier Milestone inspection engineering firm in Florida. With the recent Milestone inspection law in place, we are poised to lead the charge in this burgeoning sector. However, to achieve this ambitious goal, we must adapt and grow. We recognize the need to expand our team, bringing on board talented marketing professionals, experienced engineers, and exceptional management personnel. Our journey has been marked by notable achievements and recognition. In 2012, CSI was nominated as one of the fastest-growing companies in Northeast Florida, a testament to our unwavering commitment to excellence. Additionally, our very own Jason Hambrecht was honored with the esteemed Business Leader of the Year award in Fernandina Beach, Amelia Island, in 2015. These accolades reflect our relentless pursuit of success and our unwavering dedication to our craft. Today, we stand on the precipice of a rapidly growing market, filled with both challenges and opportunities. However, with our exceptional team, unrivaled expertise, and a clear vision for the future, we are prepared to overcome any obstacle in our path. We are actively developing strategies to ensure successful growth and to capture new business opportunities. In conclusion, Construction Solutions, Inc. stands as a trusted partner for clients who seek unparalleled construction engineering consulting services. With our motto, Building Trust, Engineering Solutions, we remain committed to providing expert guidance, innovative solutions, and long-term structural integrity for properties throughout the southeastern United States. Thank you for joining me today and for being a part of the Construction Solutions, Inc. story. Together, let us continue building a future founded on trust, excellence, and lasting partnerships.